friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make chicken pockets. This is a very healthy, delicious and an instant snack recipe. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of grated ginger and 1/2 teaspoon of grated garlic. Saute well for few seconds. Then to this add 1 onion chopped. Give it a good mix. Now add 250 grams of minced chicken. Mix it well for 2 minutes until the chicken changes color. Now let's add the spices. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of chilli powder and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix it well until the raw flavor of the spices goes off. Cook for 10 minutes in medium flame until the chicken is well done. Now to this add a teaspoon of chilli sauce. Mix it well. Finally add 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 green chilli chopped and few coriander leaves. Mix it well and our filling is now ready. Now let's make the outer sheet. To a mixing bowl add 1/2 cup of maida, 1/2 cup of wheat flour and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. To this add 2 tablespoons of hot oil and mix it well with a spoon. Now start to add little water at a time and knead it well. We are looking for a chapati dough consistency. Now we have it right. Pull out a small portion and make a smooth ball out of it. Spread some flour in your rolling board and spread the dough to a thin sheet. Trim the edges and cut it into 2 portions. Again divide it into 2 portions. Place a tablespoon of filling in one of the sheet. Place the other sheet on top of it and seal it with a fork. Now it's ready to get fried. Likewise, make all the pockets and keep it ready. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is hot, add the pockets one by one. Fry for 2 minutes in low flame. Then flip it to the other side and let this again fry for 2 minutes in low flame. Now the oil bubbles have settled and the chicken pockets are crispy and well done. So let's now remove them. Our delicious chicken pockets are ready. Serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very healthy, crispy and an instant snack recipe. So do try this chicken pockets recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.